Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you this look which I recently created for my birthday party. This look would be absolutely great for parties or small functions, and yeah, it just requires not more than 10 minutes. So if you want to know what were the steps I followed to get this look, so please keep on watching. Also, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Do share your comments in the comment box below as to how did you like the complete look, and if you happen to recreate this look, then please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID and every social media details is given in the description box below. So keep watching.
Curious, maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show. You're too curious, maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious, maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious, maybe you should take it slow. Reaching for stars. I wonder where you are. Oh, we are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.